Hello. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be diving into one of the coolest features in Adobe Illustrator CC. The Type on a Path tool. As you can see, the Type on Path tool allows you to place text along a path, whether it's a circle, a spiral, or any other shape you can think of. It's a great way to add some creativity and flair to your designs. Host, just take a look at this design we created using the Type on Path tool. You can see how the text follows the curves of the path perfectly. Now, let's dive into a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the Type on Path tool. First, select the path you want to add text to. Next, to access the Type on a Path tool by clicking and holding on the Type tool in the toolbar. This will open a drop-down menu, where you can select the Type on a Path tool. When you have selected the Type on a Path tool, you can start typing your text. To add text on a path, first, click on the shape, and you'll see a small red path appear. Now, you can click on the path and start writing your text. You can adjust the text settings, such as the font and size, by going to the character panel. There are so many possibilities with the Type on Path tool. You can create text along a straight line, a curved path, a wavy line, or any other shape you can think of. And finally, here are some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of the Type on Path tool. First, remember that the text will always be placed on the outside of the path by default. If you want to invert the text inside a circle, or any other shape, you can do so easily. Let's create a circle to add text on it. Select Selection tool. Click on the text to activate it, and you will see a line in the middle of the text. Click and hold on this line, and drag it inside the circle. This will invert the text and make it appear inside the circle. To reshape a shape, select the Direct Selection tool. Click on the anchor point that you want to move and drag it to a new position. Host, and there you have it. The Type on a Path tool in Adobe Illustrator CC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're inspired to create your own amazing designs using this powerful tool. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on Adobe Illustrator CC.